Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on nets worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets where we are given a number of 3D objects. We're asked to name each of the 3D objects, and we're also asked to sketch a suitable net representing the 3D object. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed, there is a link on the last page. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this slide on for a short while before I move on to the next one. However, you can pause the slide for as long as you like. And now we move on to the next slide, and here it is. Again, I'll leave it on for a short while, but you can pause it for as long as you like. And here is the next slide. Again, I'll leave it on for a short while, but please pause it for as long as you want. And here is the last slide, and I will leave it on for about a minute before I move on to the finish.